Alright, in today's video we're going to be working on a SRAM X Series shifter. I got to change the cable in it, and it's not completely straightforward on how to do that. So I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick. If you're particular about your shifter position, you might take a pencil and mark your bars where you like it. I want to show you right off at the top of the video why this is even an issue. Screw this a little bit. So we got a bolt here on the top, and then we've got a bolt here on the bottom, and then we've got 3 nuts here, screws here. And I just want to say this, you do not want to open this here, and it's unimportant. These are not what we're going to be working with, so you don't need to work with the bottom at all. You can just work with the top, but you are going to have to remove your shifter from the mount in order to be able to get in there and get the cap off. So just going to go ahead and do that real quick. You can see then I have the cable set free, and I'm sorry, the shifter set free. And I'll point out that we're just going to remove this screw here on the top using a 3mm Allen key. Comes right out, and then we lift the top off, and then you can kind of see down inside here, and what we're going to do is pull the cable free like this and then push from the back end until that cable pops free, and then we can go ahead and pull it all the way through. Alright, once you get the cable out, you might want to diagnose it and see what condition it's in. You can see this on the camera, but I can't even tell if this was supposed to be one of those fancy Teflon coated cables, or if this thing is so dirty it's just black. And I think it's the second, which was explain why I've been having all these shifter problems. You see I've got these spots in it where it's, I don't know, it's just messed up. This cable was messed up. Even the end of it was all crinked up, and this is the side in the shifter. It's not supposed to look like that. So what I'm going to do is probably a little unorthodox, but I'm going to spray some WD-40 actually down my cable housing, try to clear it out a little bit. Wait for it to come out the other end. Anyway, just kind of prep that up. Now you're ready to install your fresh cable, and you just slide it into the spot. It's really obvious. This is pretty simple stuff here. So after you got the cable through there, then you can insert it into your hose, into your cable housing. And just when you get to the end, recognize it might catch there, it might not, depending on what the end of your cable housing looks like. Okay, now we're ready for the top cap to go back on. Now I'm ready to reattach it to the mount. And then I'll realign this with the mark I made on my bars. Tighten it back up. There you go. That's how you place a cable on a SRAM X Series rear shifter.